Okay, hi traders. So this is a video analysis on Euro USD. So let's start off on the weekly time frame. Okay, so you'll notice that the price has actually stopped over at this area here. And if you were to draw a horizontal line across, and you will notice that we are actually at a very important area over here. Okay, so this is what I mean by a very important area where support and resistance area. Okay, and very interesting, what is more interesting is that on this level we actually have a head and shoulder, which is this. Okay, and we have a broken out of it. Okay, of the trend of the neckline, and we are actually at the retest stage of it. Okay, so this is one of the ways to view the market for now. Okay, now let us go back to the weekly time frame, and I'll be explaining what I'll be looking for. Okay, so if you were to draw a trend line somewhere around here, okay, you'll notice that we are actually broken out of this whole move here. And what is very interesting is you look at this move, the bears move, then look at the bulls move. You'll notice that the bulls are actually moving very strongly across. Okay, look at the bulls moving here and look at the bears moving here, then look at the bulls. Okay, so why I'm saying this move is actually a very strong move, because look at this move up. He taken out a lot of the highs along the way. So we taken like three or four of them. So the bulls are actually very interested in this trade for Euro USD. Okay, what I'll be expecting is, why do I have this trend line? It's because look at this trend line. We have actually broken out this trend line. Okay, but there is no retest yet. Okay, so what might be happening is that this move here, this head and shoulder, is actually might be a retest, okay, towards this trend line. Okay, then we'll be looking for more upside of it. Okay, so this might be one of the ways for me to view the Euro USD. Okay, so this is one way I'll be expecting for Euro USD to continue with the sell. Okay, we would want the price to break out of this low here. Okay, if the price break out of this low, okay, then we would see the price going to the next support area, which is here. Okay, this is my expectation. If it breaks out this support, then this will be the next support to look out for. But for now, what I'll be expecting, okay, is that the price might move all the way down to this trend line, okay, for at least for the next week, okay, then continuation upwards. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting for at least for next week, the downside of it. Then the following week might be the upside of it. Okay, so this is my expectation for Euro USD. Um, if you want to start selling, you can. Okay, we can go down to the 4 hourly, and it will be much clearer, because if you can see, this neckline is actually been broken, and we are actually at the retest stage of it. Okay, so we might be expecting more moves downwards to this area here. Okay, for a more downside, we would want the price to break out of this low first. Okay, if the price, let me take away this arrow first. Okay, if the price break out of this low, then we should be seeing this move down. If the price doesn't break, we should be looking for a potential range. Okay, all the way, then we should be looking for more upside from there, depending on whether the price does break out of it. Okay, because if you were to draw a trend line somewhere like this, okay, you will notice that the price might actually be a squeeze, okay, forming this channel going downwards, a descending triangle, then before we have the break and all the way down to test this trend line. Okay, so we might be expecting such a move for next week. Just take note of how the price gonna react at this all this support and resistance area, which is all this gray area, and the trend line, and trade it only if there's a breakout of it. Okay, so if there's a breakout out of this trend line, then we should be only trading it towards this area here. Okay, so this is why I'm saying Euro USD is actually a very complicated trade for next week. okay, because it's not going to be an easy trade for beginners. So do be patient on your trades, okay, because there's a lot of scenario that might happen for Euro USD, especially when Trump is actually now hospitalized due to the coronavirus. So it might affect how Euro USD, it might be a very volatile pair to trade. So be very patient on how where the levels that I've explained to you. Um, do not try and take big pips for now, because Euro USD is going to be very volatile, at least for next week. Okay, because nobody knows what's going to happen to Trump, and everything is in a chaos. Yeah, so just be patient, and I hope you like this video analysis of Euro USD, and do like and share with all your friends, and follow me on TradingView. All right, so thank you.